Hello, what's up, YouTube? Hello, everyone. My name is George. Welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna play Paper Pets. Crab. Lionfish. Turtle. It includes rocks, paints, instructions, and more inside. Paper Pets.
Paint for pets. We have different kinds of color. They're blue, green, and yellow.
A turtle.
Yes.
A crab.
Yes.
And a fish.
Whoa.
There's little corals in this background and even bubbles and sea.
Whoa. That's so interesting. Shall we try to open it now and start our paint?
Yes! We are gonna say open sesame together.
Okay. Open! Open sesame! Be careful, it's a bit sharp.
Ooh, let's dump it out.
Okay. Oh ho ho! We have the instructions here. And is there any more in the box?
Yes, there is.
Oh, what could it be? Wow! And what's this, George?
That's rocks.
Oh, how many rocks?
3.
3. One is
3. 1, 2, 3.
One is for turtle. One is for, I think this is a, what kind of fish is it? I think it's a lionfish, don't you think?
Yes, it's lionfish.
And this one is a hermit crab.
Wait, I'm gonna show you which rocks.
Okay, okay. Which one is gonna be the turtle? Shall we open it?
Yeah. There's even some googly eyes.
Oh, that's
I have
totally awesome.
googly eyes. Tape.
We have tape. That's right. What else we got there? Mini plastic.
We need stick. We have sticks.
Yeah. How many sticks? 3.
3.
And what else you got there?
I got these.
Ooh. 4 coloring glue paint. I think that's it. What color are they? What is it called?
There's only yellow and blue.
Oh, yellow and blue.
Yeah, there's only
yellow and blue and white. And this one, I think it says a paint pour mixing agent. We're going to paint stones with white and leave it to dry overnight. Then tomorrow we will do the second layer, different colors to make it brighter. Okay? So, are you ready to paint the white stones, George?
Yeah.
Yes, let's do this. Shall we put the paint in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna squeeze it. Careful because you will spill it on my table.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
Not too much. That's it. That's enough. Oh. Okay. Now, let's do the painting. Go and paint this one.
The lionfish?
I think we need to put 3 of them. What do you think? Are you ready, George?
Now this This is the lunch and this is curry. I'm gonna.
Good job. George is painting the stone very, very, very
White.
white.
Can you help me hold this?
Okay, I will hold it for you, baby. Very gently. Doing a good job, George. Good job.
I did it again.